Hello everyone, it's 10th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have citizenship under CAA only if claims verified, says Supreme Court. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have Trump mulls tariffs on Indian rice move may hit US more. Again, very important for international relations as well as economic perspective. Then we have Indigo set to reduce 400-500 flights daily to stabilize schedule. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have BJP hits out our TMC MLA for each vote cost 60,000 remark. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Arunachal outfits demand ouster of illegal immigrants. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have over 30% students in Odisha school drop out before higher secondary level, says CAG report. Again, very important for education perspective. Moving forward, we have more investments flow in on the second day of Telangana Rising Global Summit. Again, very important. Then we have Aditya Elman joins global effort revealing why the 2024 solar storm behaved unusually. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have lessons from recent transport crisis. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have value of water, evaluating the pricelessness of clean potable water. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have India Nepal Army exercise concludes in Uttarakhand. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have debate on Vande Mataram attempt to divert attention from economic issues, says Kharge. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have SIR of poll rolls is not new. Several have taken place since 1952, says Law Minister. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Mamata rejects condition given by Center to resume Manrega in West Bengal. Again, very important. Then we have rise in global use of Aadhaar-like ID systems is dangerous, says. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have most retail investors' money went to fund from promoters in 2025. Very important for economic perspective. Then we have in India Microsoft to invest $17.5 billion in 4 years, says CEO Nadella. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have South Korea sends fighters after Russian planes approach. Then we have Cambodia goes fierce fight as Thailand crisis worsens. And then we have Zelensky firmly refuses to cede any territory to Russia. And then lastly, we have cyclone impact sparks fresh calls in Sri Lanka to restart IMF agreement. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.